Is Connecticut a no-fault state? Now, no-fault insurance is just that. They would pay money for things like medical bills or lost wages, regardless of who caused the car accident. So you can imagine a case where you're driving along, you hit snow and ice, your car slides into a guardrail, you sustain some damage, your neck and back hurts. Well, there's nobody who's really at fault with that. Somebody didn't, run a stop sign and rear end you, or T-bone you or anything like that. It just, I mean, there's no fault to the accident. Or, the flip of it is like you cause an accident. You weren't paying attention and you rear end somebody, and you get hurt as well. Then no fault insurance would apply to that situation. Or even if somebody else hurts you, they rear end you. So no fault insurance is just that. It applies in any situation, regardless of who is at fault or not. And Connecticut does not have no fault insurance. You'll see no fault insurance in surrounding states like Massachusetts, New York, New Jersey, commonly referred to as PIP or personal injury protection. And that kicks in situations where there's an accident. Connecticut does not have that. Connecticut does have medical payments coverage. So you're going to want to talk to whoever your insurance company is or insurance agent to get medical payments coverage, because that also factors in as no fault in a lot of ways. So any of the scenarios I just described, you're in a one-car accident, somebody hits you or you hit somebody, that med payments coverage is going to kick in and pay for your medical bills regardless of who caused the accident. But no, Connecticut does not have no-fault insurance. If you take anything from this video, it's call your insurance agent, get medical payments coverage on your policy. That's going to help you get access to treatment. It's going to prevent bills from piling up. It's just a great thing to have, and it's usually not all that expensive. If you have any questions, you've been in a car accident, you have questions about what insurance applies, what insurance you have, you can give me a call, free consultation, 860-471-8333.